In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. By launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to take a photo and add it within Messages app, use this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Operate camera section at the top and snap a picture. It will be automatically attached to your message, so all you need to do is send it. If you want to pick already existing photos, tap on the same icon, but this time hold this line and drag it up. Then tap on all of your pictures you wanna send and hit done at the bottom right corner. Then send them right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!